Okay, I'm just arriving to Genius right now. Looks like we got a highway patrol officer in the back gate there. Another officer there.
Hi, John.
Hey, hi. State investigator.
Been out here for weeks, not even sit. Just to kill.
What I find
redevelopment in the area.
What I find extremely interesting is that they're actually literally doing this right here in front. So they don't even are not even scared anymore. They're not even worried. Whatever we do, gentlemen, do not get in front of these people. Do not get in their space. Give them their 3 feet. We're not here to antagonize these people. Just video. So what they're doing is right here. I'm standing on this side of the gate. You'll be all right, Gina. Now looks like we got 3 officers out here. Is it 3? They're increasing their security. There's no caution tape. They're not hiding what they're doing, ladies and gentlemen. They're not afraid of what we've been doing, putting this out there for the media to see, the public to see. This is what scares me. I thought they would be doing this in the backyard. They've upgraded to 3 CHP officers. Is that a CHP officer over there? Oh, that's another.
Yeah, but he's not identifying his name.
No, he doesn't have to. That's one. We got 3 CHP here.
Protecting the citizens, right?
Well, no, protecting Gavin Newsom and his little sitcom that he's doing to our state. Today is Wednesday. The official kill date was Monday last week. So we've had 7, 8, 9 days. These chickens have been alive since the kill date.
I know. You know, you can search any government employees' home addresses. You can protest where they live, as well as police officers and CHPs.
The
so
people that
protesting their houses, behind their homes, kill their animals.
The officers and people that's here doing their job are not to blame. You have to blame Gavin Newsom. You have to blame President Trump for not intervening to investigate, to give us our 3 minutes of public, you know, to speak about this Holocaust that's happening right here. So if you wish to continue to vote for the people that keep wanting to come and kill your food supply, the next level, because they couldn't take our Second Amendment rights. So now they're going to go for our food supply.
Well, the state vet, wouldn't you get a big award from the State Poultry Association?
Here's the thing, you guys keep blaming the state vet. The CDFA director is a female. She's in charge of the state vet. Get off the vet. She's just doing what she's ordered to. We need to make it higher.
Yeah, there's money trail somewhere. What needs to be found.
The thing is the other day we followed the guys here, these 4 guys with a bag, and they do not wish to let us know where they're taking these chickens. And we already have people at dump fields videoing them, so we know they're being thrown in the dumpsters out there, being exposed incorrectly.
You just follow them when they go right now.
You're welcome to. Just keep your distance because they got CHP to watch us now.
That's fine.
When the government uses our own people to monitor us. We do not have a government.
What it was put there for?
Sorry, am I anyway?
And you know in the back of the house, they'll do their ones like that. This is the first.
No, they do this. They do the cleanup. There's two guys usually doing the cleanup from these guys. So they're making a good show of it. But what should have been brought is an incinerator, throw the chickens in, burn it on place, collect the ashes and throw it away. I'm giving you guys good suggestion to forward it up there to do it right.
So with his dirty hands and body, he's just going to touch that bag. It's supposed to be clean. Okay, that's how that works.
Well, they're cleaning up Regina's after killing her chickens.
Now just remember, your taxes is paying for all this high security right here. I want to point out that there's one CHP officer. This is union pay, and I'm hoping he gets paid well. So this is taxpayers' money. I'm not here to ask for any ID or anything. Just trying to prove to a point that it's taking too much of our assets to get this done. And like I said over there, and I'll say it to you, don't blame you guys. You guys are following orders. I was in the military. Always bring the goddamn generals up there who ain't got enough brains to tell our Congress. Sorry, that's not on video. You all right? This is what you served our country for. So that way they can do whatever they want. Isn't that awesome? Is that the reason why so many of us veterans don't believe in our country anymore?
Well, I'm certain all my family cares.
I'll give you guys a card before you leave if you want to know who I am. I'm just a freedom of speech kind of guy.
With those dirty ass gloves.
And then we got another officer over here. Like I said, normally it's only a team of 2. I really wish you guys would be monitoring the speed out here while you're sitting here. That's what we really need. Thank you, by the way, to being here. Make our efforts pointed out to you folks. Look at the money that's being made. All those material there are going to be thrown away. Sorry, sir. All those materials are going to be thrown away. So every house they go to, they're going to have to give them a new outfit, I guess. Or do they wash it around the corner somewhere?
What day labor office you guys come out of?
You know what really bugs me is they charge you 10 cents for plastic bags. How long is those plastic clothing's going to take to dissolve in our landfill? You leaving already? Where's the dead chickens? Did you follow? It's right in here? Because the dead chickens are in here.
They're only in bag 2. They haven't gotten in bag 3 yet.
Oh, there's a 3-bag layer procedure.
I know, but they're
Oh, so this is the crew here, and they leave.
They have the specimen. This is a specimen.
Just wanted to point it out to the CDFA. What they're doing now is they're not putting the crew of the dead chickens together like they did the other day when we seen them. So they're getting a little wiser in their procedure. So the crew is moving the dead chickens in this here. And just so you guys know, we're not talking to anybody that's here. We're talking to everybody that's watching Facebook if you see a Chevy, sorry, let me go around here,
No, you have-
2500.
Because we have
Look at that, ramming material, government vehicle, driving around. That's where the dead chickens are. Hey, watch out, don't be behind that truck. This one here, California Permanent Fleet. That's a government vehicle. California Permanent Fleet. All right, so this is a government vehicle buying Dodge Ram. Well, you know what's funny is everybody says Dodge is a horrible vehicle, and all of a sudden the government's buying Dodge Rams. I don't get it. Now this one here, I don't think that's part of it. I don't know. Don't want to film it unless I definitely know. Oh, was there 4 of you guys? He wasn't peeing in the back, was he? So we got 4 CHP. Hey, Gina, you're popular. They provided 4 CHP. The house the other day, they didn't even get 1 CHP. Okay, so their team's about to get ready to move. Let me get her out of the workers area. The investigators are over there. 2 cars. Did you get the vehicles to leaving?
No.
Can you move over there and get that? Chevy still, right? So we have 4 CHP out here. That thing does smell good. I sure wish CHP would just stay here and watch traffic. We can't get the deputies out here to do it. So Gavin, if you do me a favor and bring order to these after they take a break to come back here and get these speeders from the city over there. All right, there's a lot of city folks coming over here to our rural area speeding through here.
Well, they don't give a fuck about the speeding. You'll never see sheriff or CHP out here watching for speeding cars to actually protect the public.
But that, you know, if you're homeless, they let you go now. They get you a nice little place for the day.
Yeah, you stay where the fuck you want.
But if you own a home, you have anything, they take everything from you.
10% of everything owned now, or everything new built, has to be.
Make sure you only eat at, I heard you said you served. Make sure you only eat at places that give you 10% off military discounts so you don't have to pay for taxes.
Well, I ain't gonna do it anymore with the CHP being involved. They'll get the discount too. I'm gonna call my cousin at CHP commander. All these are the truck, personal vehicles, government guys paying tax up on. Why is ours on a plate running operating in California? That's what I want to know.
Does anybody can tell me where these chickens are going from this location? See, that's the whole thing. We don't know where it's going. But we have seen where it's gone. We've got video of where it's gone. They go straight to the landfill. They don't go into a dirt ground, buried immediately. They get thrown out there for the seagulls to eat.
Yet they just dump the bags of birds at a landfill. And
Why are they running around without unmarked vehicles?
landfill being refilled. Supposedly wild birds spread this.
So 1 CHP vehicle in 1 car, another CHP vehicle in this car.
Say it
Is that 2 CHP in that car, the truck? Okay, so a Dodge Ram. Just remember, Dodge. Dodge is what the vehicle they're using, the preferred vehicle for chicken killing. Watch out, watch out. The highway patrol's behind you. I just don't want him to hit you.
Good,
And there's one of the investigators,
By the police.
Chevy Malibu.
It's about $1 million.
The other one's a Ford. Those are the investigators.
Yeah, from Arizona, right?
Okay, watch out. They're backing up. Bus is coming. So they're probably going to escort.
Oh yeah, they're gonna escort them there.
All right. This
Oh, yeah,
this
they're
is.
gonna escort 'cause they don't want them to know where they're going.
I think so, sir. Hold on. Yeah, you're good. You're welcome.
I'm Tiffany's husband.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Cool.
I just.
All right. So, what's happening here is the dead birds is moving. The two investigators and hey, we need to get in the car and follow this convoy to see where their next kill is. All right. I'm gonna get off because funny that they got a whole group of people here running. Gina, come back!